Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I will be installing a idle air assist valve delete, also known as an IAAV delete. I'll show you guys where that sensor is located, just something to help clean up the engine bay. This guy right here, this little tube right there, connected by that sensor, this whole sensor right here, and then it connects to the intake manifold right there. So once you upgrade your fuel rail and delete your cover, you tend to see this a lot. It kind of sticks out like a sore thumb, and in fact this sensor is extremely delicate. I actually ended up snapping it, if you can see, snapping it when I was trying to remove this hose. The delete's fairly simple. I'll show you guys what that looks like. This is what the delete consists of. A little plug stopper to connect to the intake manifold, and then this bolt with a thread going through the center to delete the sensor there. It'll be able to delete all those extra hoses, make it look a little bit cleaner. And for anyone wondering, this sensor regulates the idle when you first start a car. It makes it idle faster or harder or more depending on the temperature of the engine to essentially warm it up faster. But studies have found that with a proper idle air control valve, which is located on your throttle body, this doesn't actually even do anything. So as long as your idle air control valve is working properly, there's no point to this sensor. It'll clean this guy up quite a bit and make it look a lot more flush, clean, simple. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done. Let's start off with the easy part. We can just take this off of the intake. It's just held on by pressure, so. And then you can see that I didn't snap that in there. I guess either this was too tight, or I don't know, I don't remember exactly what happened, but that is part of the section that we're deleting. We're going to use some needle nose pliers to pull this up, and then with that being said, this should release pretty freely. We might need, oh yeah, there we go, and then with a twist we should be able to remove this as well. Might need to use the needle nose pliers. So that came off, and now we have this part deleted, and then we're gonna go ahead and delete this now. I want to say this feels like maybe a 17 or 18, but we'll go ahead and grab some wrenches and take that guy off. And we can go ahead and plug this while we're at it, right back there. So we're taking this guy off now. With a stock fuel rail, you will have to remove your fuel line to get easier access to this. But since my fuel line is tucked running between the intake manifold, it's actually fairly easy to get to. And we just kind of slowly take this off. Just take your time, and I'll get back to you guys once I have it off. So here we have it off. Now normally you wouldn't be able to get the close side of a wrench on here, but since that little guy is broken right there, I was able to. Comes right off. Looks like there's some coolant in there, so be careful. But that is the sensor. Idle air assist valve. Let me go ahead and get your delete. Make sure it fits, and it does. Twist it on there, and then make it secure. You can already see that looks a whole lot better. Now it won't go down all the way. It's supposed to be a universal delete. Some of them go in further than others. It's fine. And then we're going to take a Allen key and tighten this top up. And I forgot to mention, this new one is a 17 millimeter. I don't know what size the other one was. Ended up using a standard size 7/8, so I'm not sure what that converts to metric. So I couldn't find a big enough metric wrench to go over the stock bolt. And then once we got that in place, you're pretty much done. And there you guys go. The delete is made. We got this hole plugged up, that hole plugged up, everything tightened down. So these kits normally come in silver. I was able to find a black kit that they sell online. Just makes it look a lot more OEM and stealth. Kind of blends in with the environment. Looks great. Everything is secured, as you can see there. You can see right there. That is the delete. of that big old ugly hose that we had there before, from this to that. Looks a lot better, guys. Definitely an easy install, very, very cheap. You can probably get the kit for less than 30 bucks. I paid 15 for mine. Actually got it off a seller off eBay, and everything fits great. And even when I upgrade the intake manifold, this should still fit, that should still fit. Everything should still be exactly where it needs to go. Great install, looks awesome. Yeah, thanks for tuning in for this video. Short, simple, sweet video to show you guys a little bit of a pretty easy way to clean up your engine bay. We're gonna go ahead and start the car and make sure there's no issues with the idle. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay in tune for the next one. See you next time. Peace.